Uh, you have a lesson next time, right?
Yes, I have.
Oh, very
Yeah.
I very regret because I prepare to sing a sing a song
Oh
sing a
yeah.
song for you, but my my fault. I asleep. Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Maybe next time. I am
Yeah.
looking forward.
But no problem. Next time,
Oh,
it must have a change.
mm, mm,
Yeah.
yes.
Don't worry.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Yeah.
You you can listen me to have a J Cho's song. Yeah.
Oh, yes. All right. So
Yeah.
I will wait that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Next time.
Next time. Okay. Thank you, Carrie. See
Thank
you.
you. See you next time.
Okay.
Okay. I will share my screen for you. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can hear you.
I will share my screen. Share
Okay.
my screen.